Over the last couple of days, we've had 30,000 or so new people come through, so I just want to welcome you to the Sonic Universe community. Hashtag SUFAM. I know that the world might seem like it's crashing down around you. One event, then the next event. Stay in the love. Just stand in your truth. Have courage. Remember the message of unity and love and light. If you guys want a signed CD, I am personally signing these CDs and saying a prayer and sending it out with love to you. There's a lot of merchandise on the sonicuniverse.com. If you want some merchandise, click on the link in the bio. You can also just browse the sonicuniverse.com. On the links tab, there is an email sign-up form. I would love for you guys to join that community there. That way we can stay connected. Or you can also go to iTunes. And by the way, I want to thank anyone that's ordered from the sonicuniverse.com. All signed CDs just went out. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day.